at least we know the dogs in our house belong to us.
Oh, no.
So come on, what's the story? Have you got your pooch back?
We have the dog back. Actually, the dog we had for only a minute before she was returned was way better behaved than ours. So we did think about holding on to her for a while. We're like, she's very calm.
Explain to people if they didn't see your Instagram stories yourself and Brian last night.
It was, you know that time in the day where it's just a tornado of chaos?
Yeah.
I had the baby crying. I was trying to cook. I had my mum and my brother's coming over for dinner. And I knew that Brian had to come into a Zoom. So I was like, will you pick up the dog? I don't think I'm going to get there. He's like, yeah, no problem. On his way back from somewhere, came back in a bundle of chaos, just going, I don't think this is her dog. And then it was weird. Phoebe, who's our dog, has a beautiful coat, but it does get matted. So she's got like the darker fur, and I thought that just the groomer had to take all that away because she was really bad. And I was like, it was the same. Now the pictures don't look anything alike, but actually when I looked at her when everything was going on, I was like, it's the same size and shape, but something is not right. So we had a moment of going, Phoebe? It was like she'd had a massive glow up, and we just didn't even recognise her. Like, wow.
So
but because the groomer was closing, he was like, is it her? I was like, no, it's not. So anyway, she went straight back in the car. But yeah, there was a mix-up, but we got Phoebe back then. I can't even imagine Phoebe watching Brian go with her dog going, gosh.
Hello?
Brian, Dad.
Exactly.
Very funny.
So do not send them to collect your children.
Well, I said that. He's not allowed. Or if I'm in the hairdressers, I won't ring him and go, can you come collect me or go away with someone else's wife?
Some other gorgeous blonde. Listen, congratulations on the book. It is called The Day I Got Trapped Inside My... As people thought maybe Brian, but now it's Brain.
Well, we were saying as well that dog should write a book, The Day I Got Trapped with Brian. But this is The Day I Got Trapped in My Brain.